Welcome back to the online classes made classic video series prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education Training, Mumbai. Tips to make online classes effective we discussed at this video series. Options at freely available medium for online classes are mainly discussed. The point discussed here are only suggestive. My dear learned colleagues can browse, can explore to have tips for making their own online classes effective. We are discussing live worksheets and how to make the live worksheets in liveworksheets.com. In the previous videos, we have discussed how to register and how to make multiple choice questions. In this video, you will learn how to create interactive gap filling exercise and how to share the interactive worksheets with the students. For that, prepare worksheets with the questions giving enough space for gaps to be filled and save the worksheets with gap filling questions as PDF or JPG file. For example, I have made only 3 gap filling types of triangles, and here I have underlined the word to be filled by the student. Here you can give a gap also. Now let us go to this live worksheet interactive website, liveworksheets.com. I have logged in. Go to this make interactive worksheets and get started. It will ask you to upload your worksheet. I am choosing the file. Already I have made it in live worksheets, and this is types of triangles PDF. I am uploading it. It has come now. You can make it little bit colorful and all. Okay, now this gap I have to fill. How to do it? Let us see the steps. What you have to do is to make interactive gap filling question, make box around the gap and type the correct word to be filled. For example, I will make a box around it and put the cursor over here. All its sides of different length is called SCALEN, scalene triangle. Finish. Now the second one. Okay, before we go for that, you see the child has to type it. Now can we think about the other way of doing it? That is this one. To make interactive gap filling question with the drop down options. For example, there are 3 options are there. The child has to select the correct option. Simply click it, that will come over there. Further, how to do it? Make box around the gap and type, choose full colon, the words separated by slash and with a star before the correct answer. Suppose if you are giving them the 3 options, from there they have to select one of them. Type, choose full colon, all the words separated by slash. First word slash, the second word, the slash, the third word. But for the correct answer, you have to put a star before it. Let us try. I am coming back here. You see equal lengths. I am putting a box over here. I am putting choose full colon. What is the first one? Actually, if suppose I am writing the correct answer, equal length, it is equilateral. Slash. Don't put star now. Slash. Then isosceles. Okay. Now let me try here also. The triangle with any 2 sides of equal length. Here also I will put a box. What you have to do now? Choose full colon with the star, the correct answer, slash the remaining answers. Okay, well, we have done it. Now let us try to save it. It will ask now, the previous one I asked you to save it as want to share with my other teachers. Now let us see how to do it for keep it private. Click it, enter the title. Simply how to enter the title. I will type it as type of triangles. I'm just saving it. It has got saved. Now I will open the worksheet now. You see, the worksheet has been opened now. Now you see, now the child has to simply type. Here you see drop down is coming. Here drop down is coming. Here also drop down is coming. Highly interesting. Now I think that the way how to send it to the students, then how they will send it to you, it has been discussed in the previous video itself. The link of the previous videos are already there in the description box of this video. Therefore, now any number of gaps you can have, and for the gap, very simple, put a box and then correct the right answer. Suppose you don't want the children to type the answer because that will be little bit take time. You want them to choose the correct answer for the gap. Very simple. You have to type choose full colon all the words which you want to give them. For example, it may be 3 or it may be 4. All of them should be separated by a slash. And one thing you have to remember, for the correct answer, you have to put a star before that word. Don't forget it. Simply you can save it. Okay. Thank you, friends. The next type of worksheet will be discussed in the upcoming video. Bye.